So here you can see the work that we are doing right now. I mean, inspecting the rudder and changing the bearing if needed.
Okay, in that case, the bearing is being changed. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
We also cleaning all the sail drive.
Okay.
To clear all the water intake.
Okay, the anode will be changed, I think.
Will be changed on this one. Yeah, we're also controlling that the propeller are in a correct condition.
The play, you mean?
Yeah, on this one.
This kind of play, yeah.
This one is optional propeller.
Folding propeller, yeah, gory.
Yeah. So we are not doing a new anti-fouling, but we will repair all the gel coat scratches, impact. Okay, so the boat will be not new again, but with a nice appearance. Okay, so it's the anti-fouling for the last season, from the last season. Exactly, this one is from the last season. Okay. Remember that we have a diver who inspects the boat each time, every week. Every week. We have a photographic history of every week during the season. Every week, every boat. Yeah. Okay, so you don't have any surprises regarding underneath the structure. Exactly. And you also look at the emergency hatches, and they are probably also to the anchor again from this point of view. So as you can see, the boat can either leave with the owner to sails and cross the Atlantic if he wants to, or be ready for the next charter season. If he signs again. Yeah, exactly.